Hey everybody, welcome back. Another update, and it's cold. So it's a little chilly this morning, but that's okay because we're going to be doing mostly metal work. So let's get to it. I'll show you what we've done. So first thing is that we went ahead and put the door jambs on, the rocker on, and then we started fitting these guys, which are the grills for the side scoops. So those are looking pretty good. And the next thing is we're going to be doing the thresholds. So I've got one of those cooking downstairs, and what we're doing is we're skinning it in carbon fiber just to give it some durability, because you're going to be stepping on it and everything. So we're going to do that in carbon fiber, do the epoxy, and then we're going to clear coat over the top of that. So hopefully those will be pretty durable. I think it's going to be better than paint. Even if it's epoxy paint, you'll be stepping on it all the time. So, and then maybe we'll put down, we'll secure some rubber footing or something to it so it's not too smooth. So we did that side. We also did this side. So you can see here, we got the grill in, we've got the door jamb in, and we're going to be doing that sill plate. So that'll be bolted down, probably just using some standard screws, trying to figure it out because it's got to look good, but in this case, the way I've designed it, the fasteners will be seen. So anyway, hopefully I can cover up some of those. So the next thing is that we have to do the door sills, which are these metal pieces here. So I've got them out today, and I'm going to be cleaning them up, finish up some of the welds that I haven't finished yet. So we'll be getting those set, and then these are getting skinned, at least the side that's going to be seen, which is this side, skinned in carbon fiber. So the other side is covered in leather panels, so I'm not too concerned about it. So I'll concentrate on making this side nice and pretty, and paint the other side, obviously. So, and here we are. This is the driver's side sill. So this is what you step on. So we're doing the final layer of epoxy, and then this will get a nice sand, so we'll sand it nice and flat, and then we'll clear coat it. And then we'll drill holes for mounting and mount it on in. So we got that one, and then I've got this one to do. So I've had really good experience. Hit the steel with 40 grit sandpaper, and then make sure you wash everything down with, I use ethanol to clean everything off. You want to get all the wax and grease and all that kind of stuff off. And then you'll get really good adhesion. And so this is on the bare steel. I know that a lot of comments have said, that you'll get some galvanic action between the carbon fiber and the steel. That is certainly true. Here in Colorado, we don't have such a corrosive environment. So that may mitigate that problem, but be aware of it. Where you live may cause some problems. I have not seen any issues with this, and I've been doing this ever since we started the project, which was close to 3 years ago. So anyway, bear that in mind. So, and also the weight of the carbon fiber that I'm using is 425 grams per square meter. This is the best. So I've used thinner before. This, it turns out, is the best for not bubbling or leaving, coming off of the epoxy layer that you're sticking it to. It seems counterintuitive because it's heavier than the other stuff I've been using, but it actually stays down better. So that's really nice. So Don't skimp on your carbon fiber. It's about $25 a square yard, and this is a 50-inch long roll. One of the other things that we are going to have to do is do something about these kind of winglets. I'm still, you know, dealing with whether I'm going to put them on or not, but I have them both printed out. They're pretty tall. They're like 7-foot long prints, so you can kind of see it here. Those are really long, but we'll mock them up after we get all of the other stuff done. I don't want to deal with those right now. So that's this update. We are going to keep moving forward, so we'll get the sills done, the flat sill, and then also the one that goes to where the door is. We'll get those carbon fiber coated, sanded flat, clear coated, and then back on the car. Once those are done and curing, we're going to start on the doors. So I've got some restructuring to do for the hinge. It's still a little wiggly, which I really don't like. So I'm going to beef the crap out of that so that when you open the doors, you don't get this wiggle, which is kind of cheap. And so I don't like it. So I'm going to do something about that. And then we also have to coat the door shells themselves in carbon fiber. And then the skin will get another layer of carbon fiber, and then we'll body work that and get it painted white. So a lot to do, a lot coming up. But if you look at it, we've basically got 10 panels left. The outer panels, there's only 6 left. So we're going to keep moving forward and hopefully get there before the summer so we can drive around. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And we'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks. Bye.